I declare bankruptcy!
Just this past week, we've seen some of the biggest losses in the stock market since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020. With that, I wanted to give an update on my $0 to $100,000 stock and crypto challenge on Robinhood because I want to be completely transparent with you guys and not only show my gains, but my losses as well. So I'm gonna pull it up right here, and as you can see, I was up to about $18,000 at the peak in November, and then since then I'm down to about $14,000, just under 14K. So basically, as the market sells off, I'm losing about $1,000 a month.
Emotional damage. You want some therapy?
With that, I'm also adding my own money, my own cash into Robinhood. That way, I'm not having to borrow money from Robinhood as the market goes down, because essentially I'm slowly buying the dip as preparation for when the market recovers. And I personally don't know when that is. It could be next week, it could be next year, but we do know that over time the market does tend to recover. And so that's kind of what I'm betting on. So as the market's dipping down and selling off, my strategy going forward is putting $30 to $50 a day into large cap ETFs. Now you might be wondering why I'm not buying any stocks right now. It's because I've learned the hard way that in a market sell-off like this, even when the market rebounds, certain stocks don't recover. So if the market rebounds 5%, some stocks will continue to go down 10 to 15%. And that's not what I'm wanting to do right now. I don't want to take that risk, especially since we're in kind of a speculative state in the stock market. We don't know when the Fed will increase the interest rates or anything like that. So for now, I'm just going to play it safe and buy into large cap ETFs. And so some of these ETFs include XLK, SCHG, VTI, and like I mentioned before, I do like the growth ETFs. That way, when the market does recover, I can start to see gains a little bit quicker. And as for cryptocurrencies, I'm just going to continue to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's of course for the long game. So I'm going to hold off on buying those right now. Same with stocks, and only focus on the large cap ETFs. So that's my strategy for my Robinhood portfolio, and hopefully we can see $100,000 here soon in the near future. And I'm also hoping that we can see green as well. So thanks guys for checking in. I will catch you later. Also, if I ever say anything that's factually wrong, then let me know in the comments below. If you have any concerns or questions or anything like that, I will answer them there and we can have a discussion, because I don't want to be the person that acts like I know everything, because I don't. I'm not an expert, but if there's anything that you have to tell me or let me know, then put them in the comments and we can have a discussion there. All right, now I'm really going to be done.